The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is one of the easiest machines to thread as well as use. And I'm going to show you a few things that have been kind of taken care of for you so you don't have to worry when you are using it. So if you've ever had machines that when you're sewing and there's a big hairy nest on the back or it just wants to jam up, there's a few things that we've talked about, but I'm going to go over again that are going to simplify you using this machine. So number one, when you thread the machine, make sure the presser foot is up. Number two, as you're following the numbered steps like 1, 2, 3, and 4, when you come to this area and you give the thread a little back and forth pull, it pulls the thread right into the tension discs. It's when the thread is not in this first groove all the way nice and deep, that's when you get those ugly looking threads on the back of your fabric. And I'm going to show you a little test of a way to know whether your machine is threaded correctly. So here's what you do. When the presser foot is up, this thread pulls out very easily. When the presser foot is down and the machine is correctly threaded, the thread is tight and you can almost see that needle bending. And that is what I call the tension test. So presser foot up, and that's when you want to thread the machine. And these discs open. You thread the machine, you give it that little floss back and forth when you're threading it. You come down here, you thread the needle, and it's loose, foot down, and it's tight. Tight means you have threaded it correctly. Also too, because this machine starts and stops in the same position, it stops with the needle down, use the thread scissors all the time, and it will perfectly place the needle at the highest position. And then that way you don't have to hold these threads when you start to sew. And again, these are things that are going to eliminate all those frustrating problems that you might have experienced on other machines. Other machines might have not been computerized. They were mechanical. So when you stop, this needle stopped at here, 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 at all different locations. And if you didn't finish that last stitch, well, you might not be sewing the next seam very smoothly. But with this machine, because it can easily start and stop at the right position, it has an easy way to thread, you are going to be successful 99% of the time, if not 100%, if you thread the machine correctly, use good quality thread, change your needle, and don't forget to clean out underneath your throat plate after you've sewn things with some linty-like fabrics.